click the Activate Google Cloud Shell button at the top right of the console window. A Cloud Shell session opens inside a new frame at the bottom of the console and displays a command line prompt. It may take a few seconds to initialize. Once your Cloud Shell session is ready to use, you can do things like go to your home directory and use VI to view your bash RC configuration. In this quick start, we'll preview and deploy an App Engine application. First, clone the sample app and run it locally in the Cloud Shell session using the App Engine development server. Click the Web Preview button and then select the port number from the displayed menu. Cloud Shell opens the preview URL at its proxy service in a new browser window. When you are done previewing the App Engine app, type Ctrl-C to stop the development server. Now that we've previewed our app, we can deploy our App Engine app using gcloud app deploy. This may take a few minutes to complete. Once deployed, you can open your application in the web browser. The URL is at your projectid.appspot.com. Now, if the application has not yet finished deploying, you'll see an error message in the web browser. Simply wait until deployment is finished and refresh the page. Congratulations! You've successfully previewed and deployed an App Engine app using just your browser, thanks to the power of Cloud Shell.